Holy cow. Dang. What's up?
Out here. You beat Gilbert out here.
He doesn't even know I'm here.
Well, he knows now.
Why?
Yeah, we'll give you all that. If you want to go over there and ask for it, we'll help you change it.
How come he knows right now?
Oh yeah, these guys are. He used to be our old traffic DUI guy, so he'll figure out if he is or not.
Is it Glaze?
That's a weird accident, I'll tell you that.
Mr. Glaze.
It's funny how the cars look really bad, but they hold up. If you were in an old like 60s car, you'd probably be dead. No, because it has to be a front end for your front airbags to deploy. If anything, if you hit the back, maybe side curves will deploy sometimes, but most of the time they don't deploy. It's only if you get front end.
Where's Gilbert at?
What's up, Al?
Where's Gilbert at?
This car rear-ended that car, and they ended up here in the field.
Wow.
It's pretty bad rear end, huh? You should go see the front of that white car. It's pretty bad.
Hello. Hey, come join in.
Yes, that's a traffic guy.
When did this happen? How come it's not on the pulse points?
On the what?
It's not on pulse points.
Oh, it is?
I found it right here.
Come on.
Summer, what's up? It's yesterday I got another guy who was possibly drunk
Oh, really?
on Laurel and Miller. I did it on my camera phone because it's better quality.
Alright.
Where's Mr. Brinks?
Huh?
Where's Brinks at?
Binks isn't here. He's down Center City right now.
Where's Gilbert at?
I don't know. He
Boo.
was out earlier. He said he was going around.
He doesn't know. Only I know.
How many people got on there?
Huh?
I'm static.
Oh, you're just recording? You're not
Yeah.
live?
It's shitty when you go live.
Oh, really?
Yeah. This is you can see the quality is better.
Oh, okay.
When I
You
go-
just gonna edit it later?
No.
Oh, okay.
Gilbert edits this stuff. I don't.
Yeah.
You don't use this
He
stuff?
edits it down more like new stuff.
What I do is I pause it and go again if I want to do it like him. I know exactly how to do it like him. But I like the.
Some of yours, I like you had a mustache man like saves $2.
Oh
or
yeah,
whatever.
yeah. He actually came to me in my car.
That's cool.
See, I have good stuff in there. I
I
went.
was laughing when you call it. You always call mustache man.
I went 2
You had a
hours.
perfect screenshot of him, and you're like mustache man, big old mustache, and you're like mustache man saves $2.
You too, I'm about to show you too. You know. Oh, he is mustache man.
Start owner's request over for that one, huh?
Yeah, they're coming in.
Thanks, Sarge.
Don't leave, Sarge. You should have a new vehicle. How dare they?
We'll see you later.
All right. Where's Gilbert at?
I don't know, call.
He's on a call. He's missing out. Later. No one injured. Anybody injured? I need my food stamps. I need my food stamps.
You need your food stamps?
No, I'm working now.
What?
I'm working now.
Oh, you're working? Where are you working? Are you getting ads on your channel now?
No,
Oh.
I'm not monetized because I don't want to.
You don't want to get money for it?
Hell no, I'm working now. I have
Where-
a job.
Where do you work?
It's I'm not gonna say where.
Why? We're not gonna.
He already asked me, and I'm not gonna say where.
Why? We're not gonna go mess with you.
Amazon, isn't it?
No, that was my previous one.
You can't go back to.
I'm not live, so don't even try anything. Look it, I'm not
Try what?
live.
Oh, you're just videoing?
So you can say as much as you want, and nobody's gonna hear you.
We're
How
not
come
gonna
you
say that
how
you
come you
never
don't-
say. We're not gonna say that.
No, I have to edit this out. God damn
How
it.
come you won't tell us where you
Ortiz always done that, and now we have to edit everything out.
work? Hey, Ortiz misses you.
He does?
Yeah.
I make him look bad. Is that why he moved?
Yeah, he was scared of you.
You know what he did?
You scared him so much he moved
You know what he
to the
did?
other side of the country.
He wanted to do one last arrest, and he's part of it. So I'm like, oh hell yeah. You know what? I'm fine with him. Whatever's past is past. I don't care anymore.
Wait, so why don't you want to tell us where you work? You know where we work.
You work in the city of Fontana.
Exactly.
You work for us.
It's only fair.
We
Tell us
pay
where
you.
work. How come you won't tell us where you work?
So you could go and bug me. I'm inside a building doing stuff.
To do than bug you, man. We have girlfriends.
Did you see how hard that guy got hit? That guy's car is messed up.
Well, what the hell am I gonna say where I work at anyway?
Come visit you.
So you could come and dox me online? Heck no.
No, so we can come visit you.
So we can come put you on our YouTube channel.
Yeah, we're gonna go there and record you.
Do you know who's the troll cops?
Who's what?
Who are the cop trolls?
Cop trolls?
Yeah.
I don't know.
People come on my channel. One time they messed me up. One of my first live streams. It was going so well, and then the last I got home, they
Hey, what?
I don't want that.
The bald idiot.
Yeah.
Which one is that?
The chubby one who's pregnant. Remember? I'm sure you guys.
You said he's pregnant?
Yeah. He's gonna have twins.
He's gonna have twins?
Little sis running around too, with the little patches on the side. My first checkpoint, you were there. Remember?
Huh?
My first checkpoint, you were there.
Yep, I was there.
The freaking motorcycle cop was
there
following.
for you from the start.
The motorcycle cop couldn't stop spotlighting me. That's when I was new to this. Remember? That's when you guys, all this was new to this. I was barely getting started.
Really?
What the hell are you wearing long short sleeve shirts? It's not cold. You need to start running around like I do.
Yeah, you run too much.
I ran too much, yeah. Look at how far I ran too much from my car.
It's about 50 yards.
Have you guys arrested anyone today?
No, we have not.
No?
No, we've been going to traffic accidents all day. It's like our third one.
Your third one? No, this guy does that. This guy does traffic accidents, and then he cleans up with the broom. Nah, to edit out my video. You probably won't see this till next year. Can I get a radio like you so I can know where you guys are going?
Huh?
Can I get a radio?
No.
No? Is it illegal? Would I go to jail if I steal one?
Yeah, it's stealing.
How many years?
I don't know. It's California. You might just get probation.
Probation?
If
What?
you're on probation, that means we can go to your house and see if you're complying with your probation.
You can stop me anytime and search my
Exactly.
car.
See, you don't want that.
And if you find something bad, then you arrest me and take my car and tow my car.
Yeah. All probation works, man.
Yesterday I saw 2 arrests. I'm on probation, did I tell you? Look me up. You guys should look up my name and see what you find. I still have my next court date this month. No,
He needs a ride to the shopping center.
no,
Oh, man.
I can't. Hey, you guys should look at my name, see if I had any warrants.
What's your last name?
No warrants? So I'm clear.
Yeah, you're clear right now.
Okay, right now? What do you mean right now? Does it mean I won't later on? You guys should head to Rancho.
Why?
Eriwanda? You head right there is Eriwanda. You should look for the sheriffs. You should look for the sheriff department. This is how I find you, right here. Did to me. Now I have to miss a day of work because I have to go to court because of you guys. Hey, buy me a beer. Buy me a beer, you two. Alright, that's it. Bye. 2 car accidents, no one injured. Bye.